All right, it is 7:45. On May 23rd. There's geese with their babies and a heron right there. If you like herons, the C&O Canal is a great place. They chill out here all the time. Thank God for no smell-o-vision. Some poop. The water treatment plant. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's a gas pipeline, I think. Somewhere along here is a sewage treatment plant as well. Way to go, so I'm gonna sign off for a little while. Just know that it's all this beautiful. I've got other videos as well. All right, it is 9:15 on May 23rd. I've gone 30-something miles. Hey, saw a large group camping. Didn't feel right recording them, so it's a huge group of University, I think of Maryland, trail guides doing a final training ride together. So I went 30 miles before my first break, and see how far I go before my next one. All right, talk at you later. Ooh, a campsite. Hold on. Excellent campsite. That was Turtle Run campsite, and it's a great campsite, really perfect. So anyways, if you're wondering why they haven't mowed, it's because as long as there's flowers, they don't mow, so that the bees have a chance to pollinate and make honey, trying to save the bee population. Okay, it is, oh, that doesn't tell me anything. It's Sunday the 23rd of May, and it is 10:36 a.m. I've gone 50 miles so far, hoping to get about 100. Taking a brief break here. Get a little bit of food in me and refill my water bottles. So this is another one of those good camping sites. Good morning. This is Bald Eagle. Ooh, Huckleberry here. Hell is 12.8. This is one of the big gaps in them. This is a great camping site, by the way. Good fire ring. It's got the grills if you bring your own stuff with you. But, ooh, looks like cicadas are all over that. Ooh. See you at the next stop. All right. So, if you can see it, you see where a bridge used to be there. Big flood came and just ripped everything out. So they built a new temporary bridge there. And another flood came within a year and wiped it out. So they built this little diversion until they can figure out a more permanent solution up there. But pretty massive destruction, and now I gotta climb my fat tail out of this hole, and it is 10:52 on the 23rd of May. All right. Oh shoot. Oh, this is hard. Oh. Whew. I rarely pay attention to the rules, but as far as dismounting your bike, but that section is just pretty dangerous because of all the loose rocks and stuff. So I do what I can to not get hurt. Okay. Whew. All right. I just realized I didn't have my camera working right. So it is May 23rd, 1:03 p.m. My phone's trying to kill itself. I'm about 70 miles in, which means I've got another, I think, 30 to go to get to where I'm hoping to get to. Not positive I'm gonna make that, but it's okay if I don't. These are rental campsites, like you pay. You're supposed to get like firewood with your campsite if you pay for it. Like if you rent the site. It's got bathrooms way the hell down there. There's a parking lot even further down there. But because I think it's only about, I think it's a mile long, maybe a mile long, of campsites that, you can bring a lot of stuff to family camping here. It's nice, but you do have to pay for it, and I don't do that. So if I'm gonna pay for something, I'm staying in a damn hotel. Of course, I'm kind of a liar because I did do it once. Anyways, I'm gonna get myself going, and hopefully I make it where I'm going today.